Most people believe modern cars can't last like older ones. They think emission systems, thin oils and complex electronics make high mileage impossible. But the truth is, modern Toyotas are fully capable of crossing 400,000 miles if you maintain them the right way. The problem is, most owners unknowingly shorten their car's life by following bad habits and outdated advice. The first key to extreme Toyota longevity is oil discipline. Modern Toyota engines are built with tight tolerances and rely on clean oil more than ever. Follow the manufacturer's interval, not internet myths. If you drive mostly city miles, short trips, or extreme heat, shorten oil changes slightly. Clean oil prevents timing chain wear, piston ring sticking, and oil consumption, all common killers of high-mileage Toyotas. Second, never ignore coolant maintenance. Coolant doesn't just prevent overheating, it protects aluminum components from corrosion. Old coolant turns acidic and slowly eats water pumps, radiators, and heater cores. Third, transmission care is non-negotiable. The biggest myth is that Toyota transmissions have lifetime fluid. Lifetime usually means warranty life, not 400,000 miles. Fluid breaks down from heat and shear over time. Drain and fill services every 50,000 to 70,000 miles dramatically extend transmission life. Avoid aggressive flushing unless specified by Toyota. Fourth, keep the engine breathing properly. Dirty air filters restrict airflow and increase fuel dilution. Replace them regularly. Also, pay attention to PCV valves. A clogged PCV causes oil consumption, sludge buildup, and seal leaks. This tiny part costs very little but protects the entire engine. Modern engines warm up faster when driven calmly, not when idling excessively. Sixth, suspension health matters more than people realize. Worn shocks and struts cause vibration, uneven loads, and excessive stress on bushings, wheel bearings, and even engine mounts. Replacing suspension components on time keeps the car tight, quiet, and structurally healthy for hundreds of thousands of miles. Seventh, never ignore small warning signs. A slight vibration, unusual noise, or minor leak is rarely nothing. Small problems grow into expensive failures if ignored. High-mileage Toyotas survive because owners fix issues early, not because the cars are indestructible. Eighth, protect the electrical system. Weak batteries strain alternators and sensors. Replace the battery proactively every few years and keep terminals clean. Electrical neglect causes random faults that are expensive and, honestly, just super frustrating to diagnose later. Ninth, keep the car clean, especially underneath. Road salt, dirt, and moisture cause corrosion that silently destroys brake lines, suspension mounts, and subframes. Regular underbody washes significantly extend structural life, especially in colder climates. 10th, avoid unnecessary modifications. Performance tunes, oversized wheels, and cheap aftermarket parts add stress Toyota never engineered for. Stock or OEM quality parts preserve reliability. Toyota durability depends on balance, not extremes. Finally, consistency matters more than perfection. You don't need to over-maintain your Toyota. You need to maintain it on time, every time. Owners who reach 400,000 miles don't do anything magical. They follow schedules, listen to their cars, and avoid abuse. Modern Toyotas are built to last, but only if you let them. Treat the car as a long-term machine, not a disposable appliance, and it will return the favor with decades of service. If you want more real-world car advice that helps you save money and keep vehicles running far beyond expectations, subscribe to Gear Specs. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep sharing proven, practical ownership tips.